Hello everyone, my name is Shafaz Said and you are watching Tech Team. For Java beginners, this is my 10th tutorial. First of all, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest update of my upcoming videos. In this tutorial, we will continue our discussion with Java arrays and loops. I've written some assignments that we will build together, and I've also added some assignment which will be given to you and which will be written in the description part of this 10th tutorial. So I will add them to the description part over here, and you can see the assignments and you can practice accordingly. Alright, so my first assignment is print the array in reverse order. So we will continue. The Netbeans is not open, so we will open the Netbeans. Okay, that's fine. So we will continue with the Java arrays example, Java arrays source packages, and inside Java arrays we have a Java arrays class. We will open that. Okay, that's fine. So see, the arrays are defined. So what is the first question? Can we see again? Okay, print the array in reverse order. So like if you remember, we printed something. I is less than 10, I plus plus, and then comes the angle. Close this. Okay, what is the name of X? Name is X. We gonna print this one, or you can also use this one, whatever. So we will try to print this one, X. So the name of the array is X, and always each element is denoted by the angle bracket and then the index. So this is the index. So because it will change every time when the loop will run, this will change and it will print the values of X. Okay, if you run, it should print something like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I is less than 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So it should be I is less than 11. So because there are 11 elements, so something like this. So we save it and right click it and run it. So it should print from 0 to 10. Okay, that's okay. We got the output 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So what was my question? Print the array in reverse order. So I'm saying to you, now we want something like 10 9 8 7 6. We want it in this order. Okay, so if you remember, the starter is 0. Now what do we want? We want the starter is 10. So what should be the loop like? For instead of saying int I is equal to 0, because we don't want to print the first element, we want to print the last element, we would say I is equal to 10, the last element. I is okay. I will come to the condition later on. What should be the condition? So then okay, so we want to print the X 10th element, then 9th, 10 9. So instead of saying I plus plus, we will say I equals to 2. So this is something, if you remember from my previous discussion, I plus plus is equal to I plus 1. So this is the same thing. So that is the short form I plus plus. So we can say it both way, I plus plus or I is equal to 1. So now we are moving backward. We are not moving like this forward. We are moving backward. So we can't say like I is equal to I plus 1. Then it means that it will print the last element and the next element, because there is no next element. So we want like this one. So we can't say I plus plus. We can say only I is equal to I minus 1. So it will print 10, then 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, and so on. Okay, so till when, till what it should print? It should print till I is greater than 0. So we would say I is greater than 0, but it means something that I is greater than 0. It would print till here. So we should say something, I is greater than equal to 0. Oh sorry, it should be like this, I is greater than. So this is something like till I is greater than equal to 0. So till it is 0 or greater than 0, it would work like this. So if this seems difficult, then we have to say something like I is greater than minus 1. So it means the same thing actually. So it will print the greater than minus 1 is 0. So it means it should till, so it will, the loop will continue till I is 0. So till I is greater than minus 1. So 0 is greater than minus 1 is true. Then it will then minus 1 is greater than minus 1, it will not print. So okay, so we just do the angle bracket, start, press enter. Okay, system .o.println xi. So we should print it like this one. Okay, yeah, so I will remove this one for now because we are printing the array in reverse order. So if I say something like I is greater than 0, just if you are getting confused, so we can say, so I will show you later on what is missing. Run file. So see what we have started with the element 10. I is equal to 10. Okay, that's fine. 10 is greater than 0 is true. So system.out x10, this is x. If you count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this is x10. So it has printed x10. So then the loop comes here, and this becomes 10 is equal to 10 minus 1 is 9. So print the 9th element. Then the loop comes x9. So 9 will be printed. So see 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and print till I is greater than 0. So when it is 0, so it comes here, it says 0 is greater than 0 is false. So that's why it's not printing this one. So for that one, what is the value less than 0 is minus 1. So that's we can say something like this. Right click it and run it and see it has printed 1098765510. So okay, that's fine. So we have printed the array in the reverse order. Okay, what it says, print the last three elements of array and output all the elements again. Oh, actually this is this should be here, like, so this is by mistake. Okay, that's fine. Print the last three element of array and output. Okay, just you have to print the last three element of an array. Okay, we will remove this one for now. So, and we will try to print the last three element of this array, friends array. Okay, system, we just have to print it. We don't have to, yeah, for using the for loop you can just print the last three elements. For int I equals to, we will say, okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I is equal to 7. We will start with the 7 because we are printing the last three element. I is less than less than sign. I is less than, so we want to treat the last three. 7 6 5. I is less than, so we will say 4 because we don't want to print the we can't say, because if we say I is greater than 6, then it will not print Mike. So we should say one less element because it is a greater sign. I is greater than 5. I plus plus, and then angle bracket star. Okay, then we say, no, we can't say, see, this is a mistake I made. We can't say plus plus because I is equal to 7. This will be printed, and I plus plus, then the array doesn't have the next element. So we need to say, to move backward, we need to say I minus minus, or I equals to I minus 1. Okay, that's fine. System.out.println friends I. So because this is the name of the array, friends, and each element of the array is name should be friends at bracket angle bracket I. Okay, save the file and right click and run it. Kim early 7 6 5. So see, if I've said, so when it's 7, then it's 6. So because I said print the last three elements, so we need to say something I is greater than 4. So if we say 7 6 5, I is greater than 5. If it was like this, 7, then it's minus 1, 6, then is minus 1. Sorry, it was 5. Sorry. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So it will print two elements. Then it will come here. 5 is greater than 5 is false. So we need to say, we need to make one less element so that it prints 3, because 7 minus 4 is 3, because we need to print 3 elements. So we will save it and run it again. So now save, so it is printed Kim, Ali and Mike. Okay, so replace the third element of the array and print all the elements again. Okay, so okay, that's fine. They're saying print all the elements again. Okay, first we will replace the elements. Third element, this is first, second and third. This is the third, means this is the third element, but index starts like 0 1 2. So this is very important actually. If I say third element, then it's 1 2 3, but index wise it is 0 1 2. It is index wise it is the second element, but if we say if I say third element, then we say this is the third element, but index wise it is always one less, because the index starts with 0 1 2. So this is very important to know, to take care of, otherwise we always get confused with this thing. So I've said replace the third element. Okay, I will replace the third element with my name. Okay, friends. Okay, so in the memory, friends, so this is the 0 1 2 second index, okay, but this is the third element. Okay, in the memory, friends 0 is Harry, friends 2 is James, friends 0 is Harry, friends 1 is James, and friend 2 is Peter. Now I'm saying replace friend 2. Friend 2 I will replace with my name. Okay, so we will print the loop again, array again with the loop. So we'll start with the 0 till I is less than 8, less than sign, and I is equal to I plus 1, because we are starting from 0, so it would be I is equal to I plus 1, and system.out.println. So it should print Harry, James. Okay, let's see the output. See, Harry, James, Shafat. It's because I have replaced the third element. Now if I say to you replace the fourth element with Peter, 1 2 3 4, okay, because in the third element is Shafat, and replace the fourth with Peter. Fourth, it is fourth element, but index wise it is always one less. I told you it is the fourth element, index wise it is always one less, because indexes start with 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. So this is 1 2 3 fourth element, so replace the fourth element with Peter. So what should be the output for this loop? It will print like Harry, James 0 1 2, and in the second I have replaced with this one, so Shafat, and in the fourth instead of Mark, Peter will be printed. So instead of these Shafat and Peter will be printed. Let's save it and run it. Harry, James, Shafat, Peter. So these are replaced with this Tom, Mike, Elikim. So like this. So sometimes in your program you have the requirement to replace some specific indexes of the array. So you do like this. Fourth is replace the value of the third element of the array, and yeah, we already did that. And replace the name of fourth element in the array, we also did that. So that's it. There are the basic functionality of the arrays and the loops we have discussed in the last 3 tutorials. I hope that it is somewhat understandable for the beginners. So I have compiled some assignments, and I will share with you on the description part of my 10th tutorial. So I hope you all practice it, and if you have any questions, you can just comment on my tutorial and I will try to answer it. For now, thank you very much.